Dialogue. And the lion's blood is
here. Igbo Area TV on the Igbo.
Hello viewers, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you are watching from. Please hit the subscribe button and let's go there. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, as we have heard, has clinched the post at the DG World Trade Organization, but something happened. But we thank God. The economists and international development experts clinched such award. She sits on the board of Standard Chartered Bank, Twitter, Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunization, and African Risk Capacity. Nigerians and Africans was thrown into joy and happiness when they learned their own person have emerged the winner of the director of the World Trade Organization, WTO, and she defeated her South Korean counterpart, Lee. However, the joy was short-lived when the United States came out to oppose it. They don't want her to head the office, and despite that, we heard also that she is an American citizen. The Trump government opposed it, and maybe because of the Nigerian tag to it, has to do with Nigeria. You know, this has given a lot of people mixed feelings and reactions. But what she said on Twitter, and that was yesterday evening, was a clear confirmation that she will assume the office soon. She wrote, "Happy for the success and continued progress of our at WTO DG bid. Very humbled to be declared the candidate with the largest broadcast support among members and most likely to attract consensus. We move on to the next step on November 9, despite hiccups. We are keeping the positivity going," she said. It looks like the result was later cancelled and the next voting scheduled to take place on the 9th of November 2020. Unless there will be a manipulation, I don't think she has to lose. She has to still clinch it. Now we go to Nnewi. Our Igwe is 96 years old and he is strong. He celebrated his birthday yesterday. Check out his photos on the screen. Igwe Kenneth Orizo, His Royal Highness. You know, when God blesses a man, not even the gods can curse him. This is the case of Igwe Nnewi, His Royal Majesty Kenneth Orizo III. He's 96 years and still very strong, like a man of 60 years. That's God's blessing. Nnewi Town is one of those communities in Anambra State that are well known for their wisdom in business, and especially when it comes to business. Yeah, and life at general also, they possess one unique character, which is electing all their major investments in their community. They like to erect it on a community. His Royal Highness Kenneth Orizo has been ruling king of this wonderful community for more than 50 years. And in these years, he had passed numerous judges and made several decisions that was helpful to the Nnewi people. As you can see on the screen, we are showing you his picture. And that one is with Ifeanyi Ubah, a senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, who is also from Nnewi. And the other one with some other high chiefs. We are praying for more good years for him on earth. Yes, he can still live many more years. But we are ending on a sad note. The oldest music crooner, Chief Emeka Morocco Maduka, who just celebrated his 60 years anniversary on stage. He celebrated on October 23 and 24, 2020 in Oka and Onitsha, both cities in Anambra State, gave up the ghost on the 29th of October 2020. He hailed from Ukuru in Anambra State. The music festival was earlier stated to hold on March 6th and 7th, 2020, but was shifted to October due to what promoters termed the unfortunate era of coronavirus, creating health fears around the world. The London-based music promoter and president of Morocco Maduka's fan club, Mr. Eddie Isebo, regretted the shift in date, noting that it was better to postpone the event than stage on an event of this magnitude, and fans and supporters would refuse to show up due to fear of the epidemics that has ravaged the world. And the epidemic first broke in China and it has spread to several parts of the world. And Isebo said the sponsors and partners were already signing up in what will be biggest music festival in Nigeria. And he stated that the shift was also an opportunity for more partners and more other prospective partners and sponsors to show interest. So, but the news has broken. The news we just had: Chief Dr. Emeka Morocco Maduka, the Ukuru-born music maestro, and who is the oldest performing musician in the east of Nigeria, that is dead. He is famous with an improved form of Ekpiri music genre, and he enjoys followers all over the world, including the United States of America, and Europe and Asia, just like Osadebe. Yeah. The Anambra music icon, Dr. Prince Morocco Maduka, has passed away. He died in the middle hours of 29th October 2020. His burial arrangement is yet to be communicated to by the family. Dr. Prince Morocco Maduka, Ozongwe was well-known Highlife music icon, if you want to say Highlife, but Ekpiri we call it, from Anambra State, in the eastern part of Nigeria. He made name and a good reputation before he died. He sang a lot of songs with deep meanings before he died. And here is a compilation of songs he did. Igbo people will not forget this legend because of his songs. When you play Morocco's song, we list the song on the screen. Ezudene, Jonko Loco, you know the song. Ochobako, Osisioma. You know the popular one as the 98. Oh, Basadeze, any Kongwa, Basadeze, any Kongwa, you know the song. Then you have Money Palava. Nkonye Metal. Obi Nwanne. Omemma. Obanese. He's very, I don't know his link with this Obanese, but in some of his songs, Obanese, I think they have a good relationship. Then Udokama. Owekwe Meta. Oh, no, Owekwe Meta. Oh, Ijeno. Anyway, Meta. Well, may his soul rest in peace. May his soul rest in peace. Among all his favorites, song, my own is that anyway, Meta. Somebody says his own is in Keonye Metal. What about you? Please also hit subscribe button as we go. Don't fail to subscribe. Bye for now.